Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here, and during this week I released the OnePlus 11 video. I watched a movie, Plane, and some other things. Let's begin. And welcome back guys. Now the first thing during this week was releasing the OnePlus 11 video here, which I was really excited about. I've been enjoying using this phone and I cannot wait to bring you all my thoughts about it. And again, any thoughts or comments you have, please leave them in the comment section down there below. And for movies I watched this week, I watched Plane, and much like Megan last week, it seemed like a silly plot for a movie, but it was actually quite enjoyable and I liked it for some reason. Also, I got some comments from last week's Geekly Weekly about The Last of Us, and I've started watching it. I'm still in episode 1, but so far so good. Looks good, I'm not gonna lie. And comment of the week from last week is from Mr. Shafi, who is a real one who has been here since the Alcatel Flash Plus days, which is really OG Geekception. So shout out to Mr. Shafi. If you want your comment featured next week, make sure you leave a comment on this week's video. And speaking of upcoming videos, I still have a lot of content planned, whether it comes to the OnePlus 11 here or my current camera, which I'm shooting on, which is the Fujifilm X-H2S. Actually, that video was supposed to come out last week, but it just didn't come out. So it should come out in the next week. I've been trying DaVinci Resolve and actually it's really frustrating. I think I'm not going to edit in it for some time, but just trying new things and lots of content planned, lots of things and ideas that I want to bring here. But enough about me. Hope you had a fantastic week. I hope to see you in the comments. I hope to see you on all the other videos. And please let me know how your week went and how you're doing. And until next week, I look forward to seeing you and hope you take care and you stay awesome. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye.